Singapore's skyline is iconic, a vibrant cityscape that tells the story of progress, innovation, and dreams fulfilled. At 165 meters high, the Singapore Flyer offers a breathtaking view of this dynamic metropolis. But the question is, how did Singapore get here?
To answer that, the Singapore Flyer revamped the Time Capsule, a pre-flight experience that brings Singapore's story to life. Guests step into an immersive journey that blends interactive games, 3D projection mapping, and multimedia storytelling, uncovering how an island once reliant on fishing transformed into a global city.
Since reopening on 8 August 2025, the reimagined Singapore Flyer journey has captivated thousands of visitors. It's more than just an attraction. It's a bridge between history, culture, and the Singapore we see today. With innovative interactivity and the companion web app that puts engagement directly in visitors' hands, these updates ensure the Singapore Flyer journey remains relevant, educational, and fun, keeping pace with evolving expectations. Technology plays a vital role in bringing this story to life. With evolving guest expectations and new creative possibilities, upgrading the time capsule was both a necessity and an opportunity. Choosing the right equipment was crucial in order to deliver a good project in this scale. The Epson projectors deliver outstanding color brightness and sharp detail, bringing the time capsule journey to life in stunning clarity. Their reliability ensures smooth, uninterrupted storytelling, while their versatility transforms different spaces into dynamic, immersive environments. Together, this strength creates a powerful visual experience that captivates every guest.
Our goal was to bring Singapore's story to life in a way that's both immersive and unforgettable. We worked with a multidisciplinary team of creatives and engineers to craft a vision of Singapore's past, present and future. Using a narrative-driven approach, we transformed the Flyer's 2-level canvas into 16 immersive installations. By blending projection effects, motion capture, AI-driven design and interactive elements, we created spaces that responded dynamically to every visitor. Spatial soundscapes and directional audio completed the experience, making the journey not just visual, but deeply emotional.
The Singapore Flyer experience was designed as a journey through time. Each installation guides visitors seamlessly through Singapore's story from its earliest beginnings to a bold vision of 2035. Nearly every surface comes alive through Epson's projection technology, placing visitors at the heart of the narrative. Spanning 2 levels, the 16 immersive experiences culminate in a ride on the Singapore Flyer itself, where the story continues beyond the time capsule's walls and into the city skyline, connecting past, present, and future in one unforgettable moment.
Epson was a key partner in delivering this epic level of immersion. Over 60 Epson compact projectors were deployed. They were low profile enough to be totally unobtrusive. The ultra-short throw lens was critical in spaces like the red dot mirror room, where it enabled seamless projection without intrusion. Epson's superior color reproduction, 4K enhancement, and higher brightness ensured every detail was vivid, lifelike, and true to our creative vision. Through the blend of creativity, technology, and Epson's innovation, we created a journey where every visitor could step into Singapore's story.
One of our key challenges was integrating new technology seamlessly and efficiently into the existing space. The project involved complex projection mapping, which required meticulous calibration to ensure visual align perfectly across irregular surfaces. We overcame these challenges through close pre-production planning with our technologies partner.
Epson is an integral partner in bringing Singapore's story to life at Singapore Flyer. As a technology partner that empowers creativity and drives innovation, Epson also creates memorable experiences for audiences of all ages as seen at the Singapore Flyer.